Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And check out Ate's My All Directors channel. Ate, ano pa panalan mo?
Liza, YZA.
Liza's channel. And this is not my regular channel. I won't show you anything. It's really short, but I will in my other channel tomorrow or I don't know, my auntie, tita ko, yung tita ko, nagbili sa amin ng squishy. Ate, pakuha ngayon isang squishy ko dun sa baba. Please. Ate. Wait here, guys. It's just gonna be a second. It's so quick. See, guys, it's just a minute. And are you wondering what this is? A squishy.
The ear has a scotch tape on it.
Wala. Wala. Wala, diba, guys? Joke lang. May scotch tape talaga siya. Because yung best friend ko, yung birthday ng kaibigan ko, pinatingdan ko kanya, tapos sinilan niya yung tenga. Eto si Kuromi, yung isa pa kong squishy ay si My Melody because sila ay sisters. So, part 2. Stay tuned.